channel. So this is the New Year party look. I have created two looks for you, and one is a look with red lipstick and one is a look with nude lipstick. New Year is right around the corner and now we should definitely get ready. Please don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And in this video, which look is your favorite, the nude one or the red one? Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Especially using this purple smoky eye pencil because I want the smoky eye effect, and if I apply liner then it will be a very sharp eye, so that's why I'm using this. Just rubbing the edges with the rubber at the back. Just spread it a little upward, not much. Don't go in your eyeshadow, just a little bit and you will be done. And I feel I'm done and I'm happy with the result. I like this purple pencil, and you can see it's all smoky, it's all mixed up in one. There is not like only one line of liner on my eye. So that was the whole idea, and I think we have achieved it. Taking the same liner on the lower lash line, just applying it at the corner, not at the center, and again the same procedure, rubbing the harsh line of kajal. Today I'm using this Fox Minx 5D lashes. They are like 150 rupees only. Next for eyebrows, I'm taking Chambord eyebrow pencil in the shade 01 Brown Black. Falsies push-up drama mascara and applying it on my lower lash line. So next up for lipstick, we have two options. One is nude and one is red. I'll apply both and show it to you, and you can decide for yourself which one you will wear on the New Year's night. So this is the Sugar Cosmetics Brown Town Abbey in the shade 08. nude lipstick. It's not actually that nude, but it's suiting my skin tone and also the eye makeup which we did today. So this is the first look. So my lipstick is off and now let's dig into the red lipstick. The red lipstick look, and what do you think about it? I mean, when I see, this is very night and very party kind of a look, and that was also party kind of look, so I'm definitely confused, but both of the looks are amazing and my absolute favorite. Like, please don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And in this video, which look is your favorite, the nude one or the red one? Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. So I will see you in my next video, but hopefully in 2020, and I'll take your leave. Bye.